Hi everyone, and it's here, and I can't believe it. But Photoshop just released the Photoshop web browser, and I want to give a quick look. I didn't even play with it. I just saw it, and I was like, I have to try it together. So, um, what they say now is compatible with Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, which is a Microsoft. So, not on Safari yet, although I will test on Safari. Usually they say that just because they didn't test it yet, but it is in beta, so just a warning out there. So this is where to go to the Photoshop, you just put photoshop.adobe.com. And as you can see here, I think it's a great way to do some quick things, on the go and maybe while in a cafe or someplace else. And we can do some great things with it. So you can create all kinds of things, and I'm sure we're going to play more with this. But I just want to try something here that they say, you can, um, do some quick adjustments to the picture. So let's start with removing background. Let's see what it does. Sometimes you can just sit and just remove a bunch of backgrounds. So it's fun that they give you sample images here, and let's upload the file, and I'll search for a file. Okay, so I put remove background and just thinking about it, bringing the document and selecting, and it created a mask. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. Let's investigate. I'm just impressed with her hair. And the commands are the same you have in Photoshop. So let's go ahead and create a layer. So I see that they changed to the top here. So let's just quick actions. Yeah, so edit background. If we want, we can change the background there, which is nice because when you have here edit background and it chooses what you wanted to put in the background, that creates a layer here. And what is nice, it is said that you can bookmark and go back to this page. And you can also, as you see here, open in Photoshop. You can download this. So it's pretty cool. So also they have some quick adjustment here. So for example, if I go to her, let me show her, right? Let's reopen the panel, and maybe we can lighten her, or let's create a vignette. You can see created a vignette in the whole thing. Or if I delete this layer and put a vignette here, then you're gonna see, you see they create a new layer with a background. I can see that her hair here needs some adjustments when you have in I do so much of the artistic design that her hair is not gonna be, but these kind of things I would go forward and play with Photoshop, but it's just amazing, the things you can do. Like for example, if you go here probably to the quick select subject, and yeah, and then you can work more. I think like I would in this case, if you're using something that is, you need all these details, then I would probably, but take care in Photoshop. But just like on the go and you're on your browser and you don't want to open Photoshop, it's just amazing. And then, maybe you have an older Photoshop and, you know, of course, there is probably is going to be some limitation for the free. Of course, this is included in your, it's going to connect with your Adobe account. So it's just amazing. I can just rename this. And this is the person got this stock that I use. She's on DeviantArt via stock. And I'm going to choose one in white dress. Yeah, amazing. But I think that it's okay. And save. You can save in your Creative Cloud. As you can see, it's already on my Creative Cloud here. Um, amazing, amazing. It's just fantastic. Um, so I hope you play with it, and I probably will be doing some more videos of it, but this is just my brand new first look, and I think it works great. So I'm excited for things that are coming, so you can learn. As always, Adobe tries to put a lot of tutorials on their stuff. So yeah, this is exciting news in the world of Photoshop. So I'll see you guys next time.